We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Welcome back to our Extreme Truck Camper Makeover. Thank you so much for choosing our channel to watch in your busy schedule. We have taken some cupboards down. If you missed our other videos, we are on day 4. You can check out our playlist. I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you to everyone who has been supporting us from the beginning. If you are new here, welcome to our channel. Start with taking out the broken vent frame. Next, take out the front window. We know we are lowering the bed to make it more like a travel trailer, to give us more headroom. Please consider subscribing if you want to follow our conversion series. Whoops. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Do you have your own project you're working on? I have never taken apart one of these before. We are not professionals. This is our first project like this. Oh, missed one. Had to cut some wires.
It's folded in. It says folded in.
Once we finish demo, we can decide more on what we want our camper to look like. Start cutting walls now where the wood is disintegrating. We reused a lot of this wood.
Pry bar thing would work the best to save it. Here it is. Once I get more framework built, the bed will be one of the later things I build back into it. I got to get the front mainframe right, skin it so it looks good from the outside. That's the plan, because we want to get it looking good on the outside right away. The original bed was rotted out. This wood that you're seeing right here is somebody else's construction, trying to reinforce the old rotted bed wood. You can see where the tin has been taken off now too. You can see all the way to the outside. All of this is going to get lowered down.
Leave us a comment, we'd love to hear from you. Well, good news is it's just the corner. Down here is just the corner, but it stunk really bad right there.
Oh yeah.
But it's just up to here. I'm gonna do it to me just because this tore apart, but it's good here.
Yeah.
It's just there.
You gotta put a new piece in there.
Because this is down here, right? But I think I have to go up further here. I think that's what made the leak, is this screw right here. And this is what the end of our 4th day looks like. We have a lot of videos coming. See you in the next video.